I am Gilde Tahindraza. I am the regional manager for Blue Ventus in southwest of Madagascar, working with coastal communities to support them managing their marine resources. Madagascar has a rich diversity of ecosystems, and those ecosystems are really important for these communities, for their income, for their survival. We have seen a lot of pressure on marine resources, talking about climate change, migration, and more of people are depending on marine resources. We try to implement new solutions. So for example, they were the first community to set up temporary closure, and then that has been spread out through the Indian Ocean. They're home to the first certified mangrove carbon project. We have seen that the marine population inside no-take zone are higher than the control zone from the diving data that we have. Despite these challenges on the marine environment, I'm really optimistic for the future as it is in the hand of right people, in the hand of my communities.